In the box.
Out. Oh my good God. Oh, fucking hell.
Bruh. What the hell?
Oh! Hey, you want something? Want something? I'll give you something. Want something? Here, I'll give this to you. Here you go. You can have it.
Run.
Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. She's.
那好宝贝，哎呀，我操！
有人。
There she goes. Punk.
Careful, careful, Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my God,
So I'm over here shooting this thing, right? And I just see somebody hop up on the tire. And you just see what happened next, so.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God, Pepper.
Watch this dumb ass dog. There you go.
Bring it.
Lấy vào. Để. Banana is waiting.
Hey, don't you want to steal Holly?
You say Merry Christmas?
Hurry, hurry, in here. In here. Drop it in here. There you go. Good girl.
Look, Jack, here. Jack, here, here, here. Come on.
Go close the door.
Can you hold the fucking light straight? Yeah. Okay, good. That's it. Thank you.
Oh, wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness.
Bring in the groceries. Bring in the groceries.
Good boy.
Good boys. Oh, good job. Come on, then. Good boy. Go on, then.
Can you get me some toilet paper, please? Good girl.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Gigi! Stop!
Diba?
Oh, yep. There she goes.
I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night.
Save it tomorrow. It is night time. Nope.
You did it, yo! Huh?
He broke the TV!
Next to the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even go.
Berries, but then it also quickly melted
never come across such mischievous hope.
See the picture?
He's got the zoomies. Oh my god. Oh.
I don't know if she gets put down enough.
Oh my god! Oh god!
Ow.
Move, bitch!
Head cheese.
Let's see if Bubba wants a bean burrito. Gonna get it? Gone.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Take.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me?
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me? Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Oh no. Oh no. Look. You're adopted.
Where possible, or our delivery partners.
My sandwich.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Whisper. Good job, whisper. Whisper.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
You can go swimming.
Tell me about it. Yeah. Oh, bless you.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
Stop, you dumb hoe.
so sorry I said that. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.
You're taking a bath. Let's go. Come on. Go.
You're such a baby. You're a baby.
Hey! I would die for you. Aww.
If you think these dogs are funny, like and subscribe. And if you love puppies, comment a heart.